What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I was on vacation.
Oh my God.
I had a few drinks and dropped it off a balcony, and it cracked. I went to the Apple store. I got a new phone, and I need the information transferred from that to this because Apple wouldn't fix this phone.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a new phone, right? 14 Pro Max? 14 Pro.
Max, they won't fix it.
Damn. Don't worry. I got you. Surgery time. You want the good news or bad news? Oh, yes. So, I tried everything and it seems like the main board is damaged.
Okay.
So, that means like you can't get the information.
Okay. So what's your good news?
There is no good news.
Oh. Alright.
I'm sorry, man, because the damage was really bad.
It sucks. Well.
Guess what? Your phone is ready. Oh, look at that.
That's awesome.
I was just fucking with you. I want to see the real reaction, that's why.
I was like, oh God.
It really took me so long, but
Yeah.
I had to do it. Everything in there.
Yeah. It's
The way you
That's
left.
crazy. Apple was like, there's no way they could do it.
That's what they said?
Yeah. That's so cool.
You got everything?
Yep.
The way you left?
Make sure you got your messages.
sure.
Make sure you got messages.
What's that?
No, I'm saying here.
Yeah, I got them all.
Oh, wow.
6, 7.
It's better this way.
Probably not.
Looking good?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. You're never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's fast.